So I'm not proud of this, but I definitely just did this. I'm in such a weird place. Like, I feel like I've been in a really dark place this week. It's been 3 months now that, you know, we've been on lockdown. And it started to get to me like probably a month ago, but I was still okay. But, you know, if anybody else deals with, you know, mental health challenges, you know that this is a struggle. I'm sure it's a struggle for everybody, but this has just really taught me that, you know, as much as I like to stay away and I like to be an introvert, I am an introvert, and as much as I like to, you know, stay home and not go out that much, this is just really showing me that, you know, humans are social creatures. This is so strange to be away from each other like this. I'm gonna try to hang in there, try to do some things today that lift me up, you know, bring me joy. One of them is actually gonna be cleaning. Is anybody else like that? When you clean, you just feel better about your life. You feel like you have your shit together. Everything's in order. Anytime I feel like this, like when I'm in a dark place, I don't force myself to turn away and like pretend it's not happening or try to do something to distract me. I've always found that allowing myself to have those feelings and acknowledge them, acknowledge that they're present, and then just, you know, remember that tomorrow's going to be another day and then we'll try again. That's always helped me much more than avoiding it, than pretending it's not there. For me, that's always turned out so much worse because then it just piles up and it turns out really badly. So on days like today, I'm acknowledging that, hey, I don't feel very good. I kind of feel crappy and it's okay, and I'm just gonna sit with it. And, you know, tomorrow we'll find something to, you know, just find something to be joyful about. I have such a different approach to this because of awareness, just the simple factor of awareness. If you really take stock of your feelings, keep a journal if you have to, write them down every day. Just being aware of how you react to things helps you so much in, you know, developing habits that kind of help usher you out of a bad place when you get there. I need to really finally do my video on like mental health and therapy and finally talk about everything, because I've made really, really significant strides and it's helped me so much, and I'm in such a different place now, and the way I approach my bad days is so different from how I did before. Bad days are never gonna stop. No amount of therapy, no amount of self-help, nothing is ever going to stop bad days from happening. It's just how you react to those bad days that matters, that makes the difference. So I will make it a goal to make that one of my upcoming videos, because I think it's time. I think it's time we talk about all this. And I'm excited to. I'm not scared to talk about it anymore. Before I was so scared and like anxious. But I'm excited now. I'm about to make another green juice, and a few of you actually said to add pineapple to the juice and that it tastes much better with it. So I'm gonna try that today. Today's juice ingredients. So part of what I need to clean is this drawer full of swimwear and like swim cover-ups that's overflowing. There's a lot of stuff in there I don't wear anymore. And to get myself to clean it out and organize it, I left it open just as a reminder to clean it. It's been 6 days and this has not made me clean it. It's made me walk the other way. And don't even get me started on this. I just cannot maintain a clean closet. There's so much in here that I have to get rid of. For example, this top that I bought from Opali. I assumed this was an adult small. I think this is a children's small. I can't even properly show this on because it would be X-rated, but seriously, what the hell? So yeah, needless to say, that one's going. The bottoms I actually really like. These are also, I think these are also small. See, these are small and they fit just fine. Even though it's super skimpy, it's good for when I'm sunbathing and don't want like really thick lines. So I'm just gonna go through here and get rid of all the bathing suits I don't wear anymore. Like super cute, just have not worn it in years. See, this is why I need to organize. Like, why do I have just a maxi dress? This is not a cover-up. Should not be in here. This was a no. This is for surfing, which I'll probably never do. So I can give that to someone who will put that to good use. No. Another extremely small. Like, I don't know why I keep buying small bathing suit tops, but I actually really love the bottoms to these, so I'm gonna have to get the, probably the large. This was like when I was 17. No, I'm keeping this. I love this one too much. Like all this stuff that like the ones that are like hard with padding, absolutely not. Also like Naked Wardrobe and JLux label send me a lot of really cute swim, but a lot of times they'll send me small, and I don't want to be a dick and be like, excuse me. Never gonna wear that. Never gonna wear that. I hit my elbow so hard. Ow. See, this is when I started to get a clue and started getting large tops. This I can keep. And then there's pieces like this that I willingly purchased, and I don't know why. You're not J-Lo shooting a music video, relax. All right, I realized I never actually tried this bathing suit on, and now that I'm trying it, it is indeed a J-Lo bathing suit. Let me know if you think I should keep this or toss it. It's just not practical. I can't like get a tan in this, but if you think it's cute, I'll keep it. I just feel like I should be wearing like heels and dripping in diamonds in this suit. Speaking of things I shouldn't keep, what is this swim cover up? Why do I have this? I don't even want to hear an opinion on this one. I'm getting rid of it. You guys, I'm panicking because I just had the strongest craving for a German chocolate cake. And I checked a recipe and I have all the ingredients. I mean, I ate really healthy today. And dinner's gonna be really healthy, so... Okay, where do we start here? I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's an ugly cake, but it tastes good.
What? I did not raise you to be irresponsible.
What are you talking about? How will your family celebrate?
It is so hot today. I just got in the car. I'm gonna head to the post office because I'm gonna send off this bottle to my new social media coordinator. This is the first time I've actually hired someone. Like, I've worked with people on like a per project basis, but I've never hired someone to be like on my team and like, you know, have an official job with me. It's so funny. I've always like avoided that. I don't know why. It's like a thing I've always had about like relinquishing tasks to other people. But I mean, you start a brand, you start a business, you have to get comfortable with hiring people. And I'm very lucky because she is awesome. She's exactly what I needed. She's a self-starter. She can, you know, I don't need to like hold her hand. So she worked out great. So I'm gonna go send her the prototype of the bottle for Rebirth for Monday Born. She can start taking pictures with this and start producing content with it. So this is exciting. For once, I'm not doing all the work. Does anybody else do this? Where you try to push it to the limit until the very last drop before you pump gas. So this vlog was meant to have more in it, but... So we were doing some gardening yesterday and we both had shovels. We were digging a big hole. And it's hard for me. And he was like, I'll do it. Let me just do it. I'll do it. And I was like, no, I want to contribute. So yeah, this was my contribution. I wanted to do my nails and put it in the vlog, and I wanted to show you some gardening updates. I can't do any of that anymore.
We were outside planting a tree, and she hurt her, how'd you call that? Oh, I forget.
Me too, tricep tendon. Okay, see you guys in the next one.